Usage 5. Today we begin with farther versus further. Real simply, farther has the word far in it, and this is for a measurable distance. So anytime you're measuring any distance, no matter how short or how long, you're going to use farther. So she threw the ball farther than he did. You could also say Saturn is farther from the sun than Mercury. The word further means time or degree. And my example sentences here is one you've probably all heard if you've ever stayed out past curfew or done something while you were out and your parents found out. We will discuss this further when you get home. It just means in a more depth, more detail. Past and past, we got two different words here, sound exactly the same, mean completely different things. The one that ends in ed, that's going to be a verb every single time. So no matter how you use it as a verb, it's passed, and my sentence illustrates that. He passed me a Coke, but I passed out as my ex-girlfriend passed us in her car. All three of those are verbs, and that's how you use the word past with an ed. With a T, it's a little bit more versatile. It could be a noun, it could be an adjective, or it could be an adverb. So the noun form is, you're living in the past, man. You can't think about past relationships. Here, past is an adjective. It's describing relationships. And then the adverb idea is you need to move past them and get on with your life. So past modifies the verb there, makes it an adverb. So really simply, if it's a verb, it's passed. If it's not a verb, it's past. Respectfully and respectively, two totally different words here. They don't sound super different, but they mean completely different things. Respectfully means with respect or full of respect. I respectfully decline the invitation to the party. The word respectively is the one that people get confused, and it just means in that order. So my sentence says Bob, Terry, and Jason got an A, a D plus, and a C minus respectively in chem. And what that means is in that order. So who got the A? Bob. Who got the D plus? Terry. And then who got the C minus? That's Jason. So respectively means in that order. Last week, I think we had there, and there. This week, we got two, and two. Still seeing them used incorrectly. I'll be honest with you. My boss used it incorrectly in his most recent email. TOO means also, or for emphasis. It's like I want to come to, means I want to come also. Or for emphasis, but I'm too tired. That's TOO. TWO, you should all know that's a number between 1 and 3. What do you mean I can't have two best friends? And then the preposition word TO, it's for everything else. I hate to tell you, but the word best means you can only have one. Finally, and probably the most complex of all the usage that I'm going to go ahead and teach you here is lay and lie. Lay means to put. Lie means to recline or be positioned. And so we've got the base form, lay and lie. Present participle means like we'll have a helping verb in front of it, is laying. Okay, present participle here, it should not be lie. It should be is lying. All right, past form, laid or lay. And past participle, have laid or have lain. Now, I'll show you example sentences for all of these. I will lay my guns down after the war. That means I'm going to put them down. I need to lie down just means I need to have a rest. I need to sleep. He is laying his pencil on the desk, but he is not done laying down the law. He's not done putting these things down. I am lying in a hammock and cannot get out without help. And here's where it gets a little tricky. He laid his bag down when he got home. I think all of you would say that, but most of you would not say this. I lay down for a nap yesterday. We're kind of in the habit of saying I laid down for a nap yesterday, but the past tense of lie is lay. Past participle, he has laid his father to rest. You might see that on a quiz that I give you, but I promise I won't do this one to you. I have lain down for many naps in my life. I don't think too many people are using the word lain, fairly antiquated. So you got usage 5 to do this week. Next week, we'll review all of the concepts. That's 1 through 5. There won't be a video for it, just an exercise. And then the week after that, it's going to be the usage test on all of them. That'll be in week 11, I believe. So get after usage 5. Do it as many times as you need to get the points that you want.